Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Maverick? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your pickup truck's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2026 Ford Maverick is a robust and centrally located power distribution center designed to protect and manage the truck's critical electrical systems. Situated under the hood near the engine bay, this fuse box houses a comprehensive array of fuses and relays that safeguard high-current circuits for essential components such as the starter motor, driveline control module, anti-lock braking system, powertrain control modules, air conditioning compressor, cooling fan, and various auxiliary and hybrid-specific systems. It's engineered to provide organized circuit protection for both conventional and hybrid configurations, with clearly defined fuse ratings that help prevent electrical overloads and shorts that could damage sensitive vehicle electronics. Access is made straightforward with a removable cover and secure latching system, allowing technicians and owners to check, remove, or replace fuses during maintenance or troubleshooting safely. This modular design helps ensure reliable electrical performance across the Maverick's engine and drivetrain components, while contributing to the vehicle's overall durability and serviceability. Body control module fuse box. The body control module fuse box in the 2026 Ford Maverick is a compact integrated electrical hub located inside the passenger cabin that serves as both the vehicle's interior fuse panel and the central control interface for many body-related electrical functions. Unlike the larger underhood fuse box, the BCM fuse box contains a series of low-current fuses and circuit protections dedicated to vital convenience and safety systems, including door lock/unlock circuits, power window and power accessory circuits, interior lighting controls, telematics and audio modules, instrument cluster and climate control systems, and other body electrical components. It is closely tied to the body control module, the vehicle's dedicated electronic control unit that monitors and manages body functions across various subsystems, ensuring that signals, power distribution, and protection are handled efficiently and reliably. Designed for ease of access during service and troubleshooting, the BCM fuse box helps technicians quickly isolate electrical issues related to accessories and convenience features, while its organized layout and clearly labeled ratings make replacing blown fuses straightforward for maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, Micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.